Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of any text on a photo on Adobe Photoshop. So get a pen tool or anything you want to use really. I'm just going to outline this Y here, try to make it as best as I can. There we go. Oops, sorry. And then you're going to right click and then fill the path, fill subpath or whatever. And then select a color that you want. I'm just going to select this pink color, press OK, and then press OK. And that's pretty much it. You can do it to all of your texts, all of the letters after that by using the pen tool, of course. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.